Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable iPhone notifications on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, on your iPhone, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the connection section, then tap and hold on Bluetooth. Now, just tap on the eye icon in front of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And from here, just make sure you enable Share System Notifications. Now, once you enable this toggle, after that, just go to your home screen and open the Mi Fitness app. Then tap on Devices, and from here, just tap on Notifications and Calls. Now, just tap on App Notifications. Now, just make sure you enable App Notifications from here. Now, if you scroll down, you can enable notifications for each app on your smartphone. Just like that. Now, if your app is not in the list over here, just enable Other, and it will enable iPhone notifications of other apps on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable iPhone notifications on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.